Hello, I'm going to teach you how to play the acoustic version of Stupid For You by Waterparks. The song is in standard tuning, and at the end of this video I will play the whole song. And if there are any songs you want to learn and you want me to teach you, just ask. Let's start. Okay, Stupid For You starts off with the chorus. I will first teach you how to play the chords. So in the chorus you have 3 different chords. You start off with a C sharp minor. And for the C sharp minor you bar the 4th fret, but only the last 5 strings, so you don't bar the 6th string. And then you put your 2nd finger on the 5th string and the 5th fret. You put your 3rd finger on the 6th string of the 6th fret of the 3rd string, and your 4th finger on the 6th fret of the 4th string. And then you have a C sharp, and then you play an E. And for the E I use my 2nd, my 3rd and my 4th finger, because then it's easier to switch to the bar chords. So you put your 2nd finger on the 1st fret of the 4th string, your 3rd finger on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string, and your 4th finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Now you just have a regular E. And then I move to an A, and for the A I use a bar chord because I think it's easier to combine with these chords. So then you just bar the 5th fret, and with your other fingers you just keep the same shape you just had in the E. And then you have an A chord. In the chorus you start off with a C sharp minor, and you play this twice. Then you move to an E, and you also strum this down twice. And then you move to an A, and then you do 8 down strums. And this is the rhythm you repeat through the chorus 4 times, and then you have the whole first chorus. So it sounds like this. Next I'm gonna teach you how to play the verse. In the verse there are also 3 different chords. There's an E, but this time we play a different E. So we bar the 7th fret, and then you put your 3rd finger on the 9th fret of the 3rd string, and your 4th finger on the 9th fret of the 4th string. Then you have your E. After that you move to a B, and you play the B also on the 7th fret, but this time you keep the E shape. So you put your 2nd finger on the 8th fret of the 4th string, your 3rd finger on the 9th fret of the 2nd string, and your 4th finger on the 9th fret of the 3rd string. And then you move to an A chord, and the A chord is still the same. And then for the strumming rhythm you play this. Because it's down and down and down, 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 down and down, down and down, down, down and down, down and down, down and down, down. And this is the whole verse, so you repeat these chords again 4 times. So then the entire verse sounds like this. After that there's another chorus, but that's the same as the first one. And then there's a little instrumental part. And for the instrumental part you start off with a C sharp minor. And then you move to a B, but this is a different B than the one we already played. For this B, you bar the 2nd fret, and then you put your 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the 3rd string, and your 4th finger on the 4th fret of the 4th string. And then you move to an A, and this is also a different A. You just keep the same shape, but you move your fingers 2 frets down. So your 3rd finger is on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and your 4th finger is on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. And then you play the C sharp minor twice. And you do 2 down strums on the B. And then 4 on the A, but like this. So with a pause between them. And that's the interlude of the instrumental part. You play this twice, so like this. The second verse is the same as the first verse, but after that there's a pre-chorus. And for the pre-chorus, you just play the same chords you just played in the instrumental part. And you also play those twice. So the pre-chorus sounds like this. After the pre-chorus, there's another chorus, which is also the same as the first choruses. And then there's a bridge. And you play, by the bridge, you play the same chords as you played in the pre-chorus and in the instrumental part, but you just keep strumming them. So you have a C sharp minor, a B, and an A, but you just keep strumming them. You do 4 strums on the C sharp, 4 on the B, and an 8 on the A. And that sounds like this. And you play these chords twice. And after that you play some power chords. And you play the same chords but on a different place. And first you play a power chord, the power chord of the C sharp minor. It's also on the 4th fret, so you put your 1st finger on the 4th fret of the 2nd string, and you put your 3rd finger on the 6th fret of the 3rd string, and your 4th finger on the 6th fret of the 4th string. And you only strum the strings, those 3 strings, and you strum them in the same strumming pattern as in the instrumental part in the pre-chorus, so like this. And then you move to the B, and that's on the 7th fret. So you just keep the same shape on your fingers, but you start off at the 7th fret and on the 1st string. And then you move to an A, and that's on the 5th fret, and you also keep the same shape, but you start on the 5th fret. And then you have the same strumming patterns, so it sounds like this. You play these chords 4 times, I forgot to tell. The last chorus is the same as all the other choruses, and after that you play some sort of bridge again. So you start strumming these chords again. And you also play these chords again twice. And after that you just play the same as the instrumental part in the pre-chorus. And but you repeat these chords 4 times instead of 2 times. So the entire bridge / outro sounds like this.
Take what I can get. Best is hard to grip when no one wants you.